In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of your camera not working in Google Chrome. If you're trying to join a video call or use an online webcam feature but find your camera isn't being detected, it can be really frustrating. Let's tackle this problem together step by step so you can get back to connecting with your friends, family, and colleagues without any hassle. First, let's start by accessing the necessary settings within Google Chrome. You'll need to open your browser and head straight to the top right corner where you'll see 3 dots. Give those dots a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and select Settings. This opens up a whole range of options that control how your Chrome browser functions. From here, focus your attention on the left-hand side menu where you will find the Privacy and Security section. Once there, click on Site Settings. This is where we can manage various permissions for websites, including camera access. Once you're in Site Settings, scroll down until you reach the section clearly labeled Camera. Clicking on Camera will guide you to the options related to camera permissions. It's important that these settings are correctly configured to make sure your hardware is working properly with Chrome. At this point, you should verify that the option labeled Sites Can Ask to Use Your Camera is selected. If this is turned off, no website will be able to request permission to use your camera, which might explain why you're having trouble. Make sure to check this box to give websites the ability to ask for access. This will enable each site to prompt you the next time you need camera functionality, ensuring your privacy while also letting you decide who can and cannot use your hardware. This setup allows you to control and manage which sites have access to your camera, giving you peace of mind while also solving the issue at hand. And there you have it, a quick, simple fix to ensure your camera works seamlessly with Google Chrome. If you find the camera still isn't working, try restarting your web browser or even your computer, as a reset can sometimes solve these kinds of problems. In the future, remember to keep your browser updated to avoid compatibility issues and maintain optimal performance. We hope this guide was helpful, and you now have a better understanding of how to manage Chrome settings to get the best experience from your camera. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.